Hi guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel. So this car is 2 Series, BMW 2 Series 218D. Let's start the service. So this is, as you can see, that I already loosed it. You need 17 mm socket in it to lose this one. I already loosed this. So let's take out the oil.
Tomorrow we'll wash the cars from car wash. Okay?
जिद्दे में जन्म लिया सी ना
Just say I love car, but I hate car.
Let's tighten it.
Why? Because you need a phone switch, is it?
So this is the bottom part done. So let's go up and let's change the oil filter. Yeah. So this is the engine, and let's remove this one. And that is the oil filter. You need 27 mm socket for that. Yeah, spit very tight. So need a bucket for that. So let's remove the rubber. So let's fit the filter first. Yeah. So this is M Sport 218D BMW 2 Series 2014 model. So in this specific model, because there's a 2-liter diesel engine in it, so you need to put 5.2 exact oil in it, engine oil in it. Thank you. And that's it for today. Thanks for watching my channel. Please do subscribe my channel, guys. Thank you.